Hello, welcome back to my class. Today I will talk about the third group of initials. In this group, we have M, 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 N, 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 NG, N, N, N. Recently, N and NG is a little bit difficult for us to pronounce, so we will skip it. For example, nấy, nấy. Then we will say lấy, lấy. Just N become L sound. And then NG, for example, ngọ, ngọ. Then we just skip NG, become or. Of course, if you can pronounce the proper one, then you say it nấy, ngọ. But you also feel it is too difficult to pronounce it, don't worry. Just say lấy, lấy, and or. Both okay. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.